Today we are going to study about damp oscillation, wave motion by the vibration in a rope, and with the help of experiment we will see that waves can transfer energy without transfer of matter. And finally we will study about the ripple tank apparatus. Now first of all we will study about the damp oscillation. Let's see the definition of damp oscillation. The oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive forces are damp oscillation. There is a major difference between the simple harmonic motion and the damp oscillation. Both motion are the vibratory motion. But the main difference is that in simple harmonic motion there is no resistive force. We will neglect all the resistive forces, due to which the amplitude of the vibration remains the same with the increase of the time. But in the damp oscillation, the vibrations occurs in the presence of the resistive forces, and due to which the amplitude of the oscillation decreases to zero with the increase of the time. For example, let's see the left figure. A mass attached with a spring, and you know, as you are seeing in this diagram, this mass M is dipped into the liquid of high viscosity. As the body of mass M vibrates about the mean position, so due to the resistive force, its amplitude decreases to zero with the increase of the time. Let's see the graphical diagram of this damp oscillation. As you are seeing in this diagram, initially the amplitude is high, but with the increase of time the amplitude of the vibration in damp oscillation decreases, and finally it becomes zero with the increase of the time. So this is known as, such type of oscillation is known as damp oscillation. Let's see the another one example, another one topic. Wave motion by the vibration of a rope. Let's consider we have a rope. One end of the rope is connected to the wall or any support. And we will hold the another one end. As we vibrate this end of the rope up and down, then due to the vibration, waves forms on the rope, and these waves will move to the another end of the rope. Now mark some point on the rope at the same distances. We will see that the mark point vibrate up and down. The mark points vibrate up and down, which is perpendicular to the direction of waves. These points do not displace from their position. These points vibrate up and down, and their vibration, as you are seeing in this diagram, their vibration is perpendicular to the direction of waves. So in this topic we studied, or I can say that we read that when the waves is moving forward, then the particles of the medium do not displace from their position. They vibrate up and down, and their vibration in a transverse wave, their vibration is perpendicular to the direction of waves. Now let's see the another one topic. Waves transfer energy without transfer of matter. We can prove this, that the wave can transfer energy without transfer of matter. We can prove this with the help of an experiment. In this experiment, we take a vessel and fill the vessel with some water. And fill the vessel with some water. Now place a piece of cork on the water surface near one end of the vessel, and take a pencil and dip half of the pencil into the water near the other end of the vessel. When the pencil is vibrated up and down, then due to the disturbance in the water molecule, the waves generate on the surface of water, and after a few seconds these waves reach the another end of the vessel, and we will see that the piece of cork vibrate up and down. Okay, now we have the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy lies in the pencil, and wave transferred that kinetic energy from pencil to the cork. Now place some pieces of paper onto the water surface, and then again vibrate the pencil up and down. Then we will see that the pieces of paper vibrate up and down, vibrate up and down. They do not displace from their position, and their vibration is perpendicular to the direction of waves. So this from this whole experiment, it is proof that waves can transfer energy without transfer of matter. Let's see the another one topic, which is ripple tank apparatus. A ripple tank is designed to study the properties of the waves. Basically, our ripple tank is designed to generate the waves on the surface of the water, and it is used to study the properties of the waves. A ripple tank consists of a rectangular tray. This is a rectangular tray which has glass bottom. The water is filled into the tray. A vibrator, an electrical vibrator, is dipped. An electrical vibrator is dipped into the water surface. When the motor of the vibrator is connected to the power supply, with the help of wires, then the vibrator vibrates on the surface of water, and as a result of which the straight waves generate on the surface of water. So from this apparatus we can generate the waves, and we can study the properties of waves, which are reflection, refraction, and the diffraction of waves. Thank you very much.